it comes to cheese sauces and soups, consumers demand a flavor-packed, creamy mouthfeel, but they don't want to compromise nutrition or clean labels. All-natural Grande Gusto 200 functional whey protein partially replaces cheese powder and delivers a more cheese-like texture and rich mouthfeel that your consumers expect, with savory dairy flavors. Grande Gusto 200 is ideal for powdered and dry mix applications. Our R&D team perfected this ingredient so that it consistently delivers superior water-holding properties and incorporates easily into existing production systems. As a natural texturizer, it delivers a velvety, clingy mouthfeel, and its natural stabilization capabilities minimize syneresis. Grande Gusto 200 is highly functional, but what do consumers think? An independent consumer study showed that it was preferred over the control for texture, mouthfeel, and flavor. Align with your customers' high standards for texture, quality, flavor, nutrition, and price with Grande Gusto 200. Our products are made using the highest quality milk from dedicated Grande producer dairies, ensuring a secure chain of custody and optimal product availability.